holy shit, that was really fucking dangerous. So there's some lady in a fucking Toyota Sienna. It's like either a dark blue or a black van, and she didn't have her fucking lights on. And I kept, you know, turning my lights off and on, blinking at her. Finally, she realized I got in front of her, and I tried to guide her off the highway. Got her off the freeway, and then I just stopped at the light, and of course she's terrified because my big white ass comes out. And it's just some weird white lady, and I was like, turn your fucking lights on. And she's like, oh, thank you. I'm like, yeah. I was like, your dark car, we can't see you at night. You know, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like a electricity savings where the freeway people don't really properly light the freeway. So I was like, whatever. But we're heading to Club Monarch in Phoenix. What is it? Something...
122 East Washington Street.
Did you hear that? 122 East Washington Street in Phoenix. So we're getting ready to test out the Rockford Fosgate T2 24-inch that I built for them. And they need, I don't, for some reason he needs my help to install it. I guess I got to properly show him where to put it. But it should be rocking out tonight, and today is Saturday, yeah, so today is the night, their busy night. So if you guys want to hear that, go check out the club. That's Monarch Nightclub or Bar or whatever it's called, and 122 East Washington Street in downtown Phoenix. It's over by Bank One Ballpark or whatever you call it, Chase Field. All right, later. Love you.